Is this an air vent?
That was a terrible experience!
Did anyone miss us? You know, I wonder how Cool Cracker's doing.
Yo, bro, you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good. But the other snacks have either expired or been eaten. Sucks to be them, I guess. I'm traumatized by that experience. I just watched my friends crumble and decay in front of my face. I loved it when Cheez-It died, though. Ha. His little tiny cries for help as he died. Mwahaha. That's pretty dark, bro. Whatever, I'm so cooler. You're so inconsiderate. And I'm so cool. Decaying Cookie, you come with us. I literally can't move. Too bad, I'm taking you anyway.
Alright, who broke in? I heard a lot of ruckus going on.
Okay, never mind, I'll leave you to it, cause we gotta escape. Oh, come on, you're gonna leave me to get eaten? Don't worry, Decaying Cookie. I'll save us. Ah, my face is broken. Come on, guys, hurry up and get in the portal. We gotta get back to Popcornia.
I did not sign up for this.
That makes two of us.
We're back. Again, we were just here 1 minute ago. I'm just gonna stay at that pillar over there.
Okay, see ya.
Now it's just me and you.
Wait, why are you getting closer to me?
Oh, you guys are back. Whoa, now that you're here, there's a natural disaster in Popcornia. We ran out of cola. Could you get some for us?
Cola. All you want is cola?
Why should we even help you?
Because this planet will then go rogue. And you know, BurntPopcornBucket won't like that.
Okay, fine. Hey, stay with us next time, yeah?
But I never leave you guys. I'm just such a nice friend.
Yeah, but you're actually right, even though you're being sarcastic. Let's go.
Oh, hey, look, a cola. How convenient.
Is it just me, or was that too easy?
Y'all heard me, mateys. You thought I was dead. Come on, another cooked pizza. We can escape. I have already told you, Salad Bowl. There is no escape. Oh no, I'm corroding. What if I try this? We're alive. I told you. But now we're in the dead remains of our friends. What would you like, Mr. Popcorn? I would like 16 colas, please. We don't have any colas left. What? We need cola right now.
We've already gotten 1 can. We have a lot of other places to check. Let's go. Ugh, it's been hours. That's the only can we've got.
Check under your cone.
Huh? And how'd that get there?
Whatever, let's go.
It says to get this cola, you have to solve a
I
riddle.
stole it. Let's go. I think I would have liked it more if we were still in Miss Johnson's digestive tract. This is all your fault, Salad Bowl. We could have just stayed in her stomach. Well, I wasn't just gonna leave you there. We were going to deteriorate in less than a few minutes. Actually, I wouldn't. Pizza takes hours to be digested. So, how do we get out? Well, obviously that way. Let's go. Do you think this is enough cola?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, there should be enough cola for you all.
Thank you, Taco Man. We now will feed this to the cola chorus.
But who now?
I wanted one of those colas.
What's happening?
This didn't happen last time.
Run!
It's over. We're doomed.
I've got it.
I'm getting one of those colas. Now this is what I've been craving.
Dude, no girl is gonna want to kiss you if you do that.
Whatever. I don't really like girls anyway.
Wait, doesn't that mean you're...
Don't say it. We're back.
We didn't notice you were gone.
Oh, yeah. Miss Johnson ate us, and then she threw us up. Then we went into the sewers, but now we're back.
Better than what we've been through.
Alright, time for a snack.